DIY portable grills. 1. Recycled materials grills. Repurposing old materials is an eco-friendly way to create portable grills. For instance, a metal drum can be cut in half to form a simple barbecue. Attach legs for stability and place a metal grate over the top for cooking. Similarly, a steel bucket can be converted into a compact grill by adding ventilation holes and a small grate. These DIY solutions are cost-effective and highly customizable for various needs. 2. Folding grills. Folding grills are compact and easy to transport, making them ideal for camping or emergency scenarios. Many designs feature collapsible legs and lightweight grates, allowing you to set up a cooking station in minutes. These grills are versatile as they can be used over open flames or charcoal, and they require minimal storage space. 3. Solar-powered grills. Solar-powered grills offer an innovative approach to off-grid cooking by harnessing sunlight for heat. A basic solar grill can be made using a reflective parabola or a box lined with aluminum foil to concentrate sunlight onto a cooking area. These grills are perfect for baking or slow cooking food without using any fuel. For convenience, consider portable solar grills available at offgridguides.com, which are designed for efficiency and ease of use in off-grid environments.